If the economy crashes, your portfolio doesn't have to. Here's where money hides. Recessions are part of the economic cycle. They're painful, but they're also predictable. From the Great Depression of the 1930s to the 2008 financial crisis and the COVID shock of 2020, each downturn left clues. And if history rhymes, 2025 could present both risk and massive opportunity. Let's look at the sectors that have consistently outperformed when the rest of the economy struggles. First, consumer staples. Think groceries, household products, and hygiene essentials. Companies like Procter and Gamble, Coca-Cola, and Walmart. In 2008, while the S&P 500 fell over 38%, consumer staples dropped only around 15%, and some even posted gains. Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." His investment in Coca-Cola shows that staples are a defensive bet. Next, utilities. Electricity, water, and natural gas don't go out of style. Utilities are often backed by long-term contracts and regulated pricing. They provide dividends and steady cash flow, exactly what investors want in uncertain times. Healthcare comes next. People don't postpone medical treatment because the market is down. Pharma companies, insurance providers, and medical device makers often hold strong. During COVID-19, healthcare didn't just survive, it led innovation. Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, United Health, these are recession-resistant names. Don't forget discount retailers. When money gets tight, people trade down. That's when Dollar General, Costco, and Target shine. Even during the Great Recession, discount retailers saw increased foot traffic. While not a sector, gold is a classic safe haven. During 2008, it dipped briefly, then surged. Real assets like gold, cash flowing real estate, and bond ETFs can help balance risk. But be cautious with cyclical industries like luxury, travel, and speculative tech. In downturns, they're the first to fall and the last to recover. Companies with heavy debt are also high risk. No one can time a recession perfectly. But by focusing on historically resilient sectors, consumer staples, healthcare, utilities, and discount retail, you give your portfolio the best chance to weather the storm. Recessions don't last forever, but smart investments can.